Okay, can you see me properly?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
See here, Missy is going on telling good morning, but I'm not, getting a strong good morning from that side. Come on,
morning,
come on, come on.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Did you not have breakfast in the morning? Did you have breakfast?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Come on, come on. Come on, let me see that energy here.
I did. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all doing?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Somebody is telling, listen, somebody is giving me the answer fine with so gloomy sound. Fine, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Tell me, give me a strong answer. How are you all? How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
So, look outside. How is the weather there? How is the weather? Is it raining?
Sunny.
Is it
Ma'am.
sunny?
Ma'am, here is raining.
Sunny.
Anyhow, here in the,
it's
the school
rainy and
area,
sunny also.
it's sunny. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it is sunny.
Oh, it is sunny. Okay. Is it the first class of your day?
Yes.
Okay. Hazel, Hadi, Aris, turn on your video, my dear.
Yes, me, ma'am. I didn't eat my breakfast.
Who is that who did not have breakfast? Is it Aditri?
Ma'am.
Why
My
Aditri?
is not well, very well.
What happened? Good
Not
morning.
well.
Good morning. What happened to Mama? What happened to her?
Head pain.
She has got head
Head
pain.
pain and eye pain.
Oh, okay. Okay. So we'll wait for some time more. Then we start with the class. Okay? Come on, look at Achyut. Achyut started smiling. Achyut started smiling. Call Restall also, come on, give me a smile. Let me see your cute smile. Joyarik, my dear, smile. Yeah, other is smiling. Then, look at Niharika. Niharika is giving a, oh my God, Sri Bhadra. You see, Sri Bhadra's, so very wide smile. Okay. Okay, nice to see you smiling early. Look at Aditri. Aditri has got, extra energy without breakfast. Okay. Aris, I think so. Your camera should be, should be kept properly. Yes. Now you're okay. Okay. Achit, know that. No opening the mouth, only smiling. No opening the mouth like a crocodile early in the morning. Have you seen a crocodile mouth? Have you seen?
No. No, ma'am.
You have not seen a crocodile. How does it opens the mouth? Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am. I have seen.
When it is ready to catch the prey, such a big mouth. Now you just tell me, when do we open this kind of mouth?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me other when.
ma'am, when I go to a zoo, I saw a crocodile.
Okay, you have seen crocodile. Now I asked one question. What is that? Like a crocodile,
Ma'am, when
as it opens a wide mouth. When do we do that?
when you're laughing,
When do we do that?
when we're sleepy.
Yes, very good. Once we are sleepy, we do that, right?
I didn't want my mouth.
Azad, what is it, Azad? Azad is showing me 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it, Azad? Yes, tell me, what is that?
Ma'am, I'm Aditri. I need to show you my drawing.
I need to show you.
My drawing.
Yeah, just show me. What is that? Come on. Look at Aditri. Aditri is ready with some drawing to show us in class. Okay.
Wait a minute, ma'am.
Wait. Let her. Okay. Okay, Aditri. Just to hold it little far from the screen. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, Aditri. Very good. Very good. Could you please explain something about that picture to us? Aditri?
This is the page.
Yeah.
It has a heart-shaped water droplet on it.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, so shall we start with our class?
I also have.
Yeah, Shribhadra, what is that? Shribhadra has got something else to show us. Look at Shribhadra's beautiful butterfly. Can you see? Colorful and beautiful butterfly. I think so. Shribhadra's, you know that light is overlapping, my dear. That light.
I also have.
Now we will do one thing. Now we'll start with the class. Now once I am about to finish the class, I will see your drawings. Is that okay? Is
Yes,
it okay?
ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good.
Ma'am, I will draw very much.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, okay, now listen carefully what I am going to say. Before we start our class, what is that one important thing you should take care? Just tell me, what is that one thing? Anyone, before we start the class, what should you do with your audio? What should you do with your audio? Mute. Yes, very good. You have to mute. Come on, mute your audio and listen carefully what I am going to teach, right? So before we start our class, I want two people, any two children who can enact, who can act out. Did you understand what I said? What I said just now?
No, ma'am.
No, you did not understand. Okay, let me explain. Now see, what is the name of the story we are learning about?
Prince and the Pauper. Prince and the Pauper.
Very good. The Prince and the Pauper. Okay. What are the names of the two main characters here?
Tom, Candy, and the Prince.
Okay. We have Tom, Candy, and the Prince. So I want two people to act out the role of the Prince and the Pauper. Now, since it is online, certain limits are there, but still sitting in your place, you have to
do it.
acting out, you can deliver the dialogues. Listen, Niharika, just listen what I want to say. So sitting in your own place, you can at least deliver the dialogues. For example, now, there are two characters, Tom Candy plus Prince. So what was the first question asked by the Prince? What was the first question asked by the Prince?
What is your
Yeah,
name?
boy, what's your
name, boy?
What is your name? So like this, then second question, then he asked about the family. So all these things, you can deliver these dialogues, tell the dialogues in your own language. No need of reading the textbook. No need of reading from the textbook.
I can do it.
Am I clear? Am I clear? Is that very clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah, very good. You make mistakes, no problem. It is our own class, right? Right? The smart and the intelligent children of 4A along with this teacher. So make mistakes. I am there to help you out. Oh my God, so many are ready. Now, whom should I select now? Whom should I select now?
Ma'am, Catherine can do it. Ma'am, I can do it. Ma'am, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
Now I am going to do one thing. Listen. I am going to do one thing. I am just going to close my eyes. Listen. I am just going to close my eyes and I'm going to touch the screen so that none of you feel bad. If I select now two, you will feel bad, right? So I'm going to just close my eyes.
You touch Niharika, please. She will act with you.
Okay, Niharika. Okay. Shall I start?
Ma'am,
I am going to close my eyes.
Ma'am, can you make it little?
Yeah, that's what I told. Now I cannot read out any two names or else others will feel bad, right? Okay, listen. I have closed my eyes. Then I am going to touch now.
Ma'am,
Did I touch? Yeah, Adira. One is Adira, and the other one. Sweden, are you ready? Sweden, will you do? Sweden, can you hear my dear? Adira, are you ready? Adira, you can unmute. Adira, you can unmute. What about Sweden? Sweden, can you hear me, Sweden? Sweden, there is some network issue, I suppose. So one more. We will take one boy, okay? We'll go with Achyut. Okay? Achyut plus Adira.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear. Tell me, what is that?
I'm Sweden.
Sweden, my dear, sit properly there. Okay, now Adira and Achyut are going to...
Ma'am, me?
Listen. Adira and Achyut are going to deliver the dialogues. One will be the prince, the other one will be Tom Canty. So, Achyut, will you be the prince? Yes, Achyut is ready. What about Adira? Will you be Tom Canty, Adira? Yes. So, they are going to act out. Okay, Hadi, okay. So, rest all, what are we supposed to do? We just listen. Don't disturb.
Can we look at the book?
No, my dear Achyut.
Ma'am,
Don't read out. Listen. In between, if you miss out something, you can go back to your textbook. Just have a look. Just try to do. No problem. Okay. Shall we start?
Ma'am, can you put them in spotlight?
Okay, Adidev. No problem. We can, because I want to see everyone here. Okay. Come on, Achyut. Start. Adira, ready. Start, Achyut.
Ma'am, first line I want to tell.
No, now you just, behave as if you are the prince. So you saw Tom Canty, right? So what will be your reaction? Tom Canty, now you saw the prince, unexpectedly. Now you just imagine a prince comes to your house. How will be your reaction? So that way you have to act out. Okay, Azia? Okay, Achyut, come on.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yeah, start.
What is your name, boy?
Adira has to answer.
Tom Canty, sir.
Okay.
Ma'am, I want to read this old prince found the name word also.
No, that all not needed. You just read out you just ask the questions which were asked by the prince.
Where do you live? In the open
Court of
Pudding Lane.
Yes, then.
Do you have parents?
Achyut, it's a question. So how are you going to ask just like a question? Do you have parents?
You have parents?
Yes. Adira.
I have parents and a grandmother who is not kind to me. God forgive me if it is wrong to say so. I also have twin sisters, Nan and Bet.
Good. Achyut.
So your grandmother doesn't not love you? My grandmother loves nobody as she has a wicked heart.
Wicked, as she has a wicked heart. Okay, then.
Does she mistreat you? There are times when she is drunk or asleep and does not lift her hand, but she makes for it by beating harder at other times.
Okay. Any other question, Achyut? Is there any other question?
Yes, ma'am. There is also some more questions.
Okay.
What? Does she beat you?
Does she beat you?
Does she beat you? Yes, indeed.
Okay, we stop here. Come on. Give a big round of applause for Achyut and Adira. They did well. Okay, very good, Achyut and Adira. Okay. Now I want 2 people more to continue with our dialogues.
Ma'am, Niharika. Ma'am, Niharika, please.
Okay, Niharika and Arush. Okay. Niharika and Arush. We go with Niharika and Arush. Niharika and Arush, you have to start from where they stopped. They have stopped the dialogues. Okay, from what was the last dialogue? Does she beat you? That was the last dialogue. Okay, so who is going to be the prince? What about Arush? Arush, my dear, will you be the prince?
No, yeah.
Yes, Arush is ready. What about Niharika?
No, I'm not sorry.
Okay, come on. Come on, Arush. You start with the question, does she mistreat you? Azad, Azad, my dear, sit straight, Azad. Come on, Arush.
Does she mistreat you?
Like a question. You have to ask like a question. Now the prince is very surprised, very shocked.
Does she mistreat you?
Yes, very good.
There are time. 1 minute, ma'am.
Who is this Oppo A33?
Okay, ma'am.
Please rename your device with your own name, okay? Write your name and the class. Okay. Come on, Niharika.
There are times when she is drunk or asleep and does not lift her hand. But she makes up for it by beating harder at other times.
Niharika, my dear, you need not read. Okay, you just try to tell your own words. Okay, that's good. Good. Okay, Arush. Arush, next question. What was the next question, Arush?
What, does she beat you?
Very good. Then Niharika.
Yes, indeed.
There are times. Okay, here we stop. Niharika. Yes, she beats me. Arush, what was the punishment given? What was the punishment declared by the prince then? When he came
How
to...
can she beat
Okay.
beat you? You are so small and weak. I will have her imprisoned in the tower immediately.
You just listen to me. How are you going to tell this dialogue? He is so angry now. He is very, very angry. So in that angry mood, he is delivering this dialogue. So how are you going to tell Arush? You just try once. You are very angry now.
What? Does she beat you?
Yes, good. I am going to.
You're so small and weak. I will have her imprisoned in the tower immediately.
Very good. Very good, Arush. Okay, Niharika. Continue with the Tom Candy's dialogues.
Sir, the tower is for important people. My grandmother has a lowly society.
Lowly place?
Lowly place in society.
Okay. Okay, Arush. Then what is the dialogue here? When he comes to know that his grandmother
I will declare her punishment later.
Okay, I'll declare her punishment later.
Ma'am, I can't hear you and see you.
Can't you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Evelyn, just check your network. Okay. So come on. Give a clap to Niharika and Arush. Joyarik, come on, clap. Achyut, Advaita, clap. They did well. Evelyn, can you hear me, Evelyn? Good, very good. Very good. Okay. Did you enjoy?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Now once this lesson is over.
Can't.
Evelyn, my dear, Evelyn, just mute so that we don't get disturbed. Okay. So shall we continue with the lesson? Yeah, tell me what is that?
Ma'am, next class we will do the same.
What is that? Please repeat.
Next class also we will do this.
I am not able to follow you. No, I can't hear properly. Yeah, tell me.
Also, next class also we will do the same action.
What is it, Catherine? Next class?
Also we will do this.
Yeah. Once the lesson is over, we will do that. Okay. So one can dress up like a prince. The other one can dress up like Tom Candy. We will plan out that.
Can I?
Yeah, this was all of sudden, right? Which you never expected. So once the lesson is over, we'll plan out, right? I'll give you the roles. Then we will do accordingly. Is it okay? Is
Okay,
it
ma'am.
okay? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Just check your English textbook if you have. Evelyn, my dear, just check your network. Just check your network, okay? Come on, take your English textbook.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me. What is it, Advaita?
ma'am, I am in my mother's house, so I don't have textbook.
Oh, okay, no problem. Oh, no problem. Okay, for the time being, you just adjust now. Okay, so take the page number 3. Take the page number 3. Did you take the textbook? Achyut, turn on your video, Achyut. Aris, Hadi. Hadi has got some network problem. What about Aris? Aris? Okay. Did you take the page number 3? Yes. So what is the name of the lesson we are learning about? The name of the lesson is?
The prince and the pauper.
The prince and the pauper.
The Prince
and the pauper.
The Prince and the Pauper. So as I told, there are 2 main characters. The first one is
Tom Canty.
Candy.
Tom
The other person is
Prince.
the Prince.
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Ma'am, you're stuck. Ma'am, you're stuck.
Ma'am, you're stuck.
The whole board is stuck.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the whole board and ma'am is
You are
stuck.
stuck. Now someone will be the host.
Yes.
I will be the host. No. You're every time's being the host.
Ma'am, I didn't be now till now. Last year also I did.
Thank you, Mayasa. Thank you very much.
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Okay, ma'am is gone.
Now.
That is
the
Oh, no.
Sringa is the host.
Didn't get the host. No, I am still waiting for the host. I am not in the host of any meeting. I was waiting still 3 to 4.
It's recording.
You will mute your audio.
Shaking his ears.
When did you go to space?
There will be a lot of chat.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So in between there was some problem, network issue. Okay, Azad, my baby, what happened early in the morning? Are you not well, Azad? Azad?
No, ma'am.
Are you fine, my dear? Then sit straight. Okay. So let me continue with the lesson, or else we will be lagging behind. Okay. So now, when the prince asked Tom Canty, what did he ask? What about your father? What did he say? Pranav and Prarthana. What did Tom say about father? His father, he told, my father is just like my grandmother. Very good. My father is also just like my grandmother, said Tom with a whimper. What is the meaning of whimper? What is the meaning of whimper? Whimper, what do we say? What is the spelling of whimper? Come on, read it. What is the spelling of whimper?
WHIMPER.
Whimper means what? With lot of pain. Okay. With lot of pain. So what did Tom Canty do? Tom Canty, when he told about his father, he said it with lot of pain. Why? Because such a small child was undergoing lot of difficulty at home, right? This touched the prince's heart. My father does not have a good temper either. What is the meaning of temper? T-E-M-P-E-R. Temper means
Angry.
yeah, he
Angry.
easily gets angry. So what is the meaning of temper? It is state of mind. See, look at ourselves. Sometimes we are extremely happy. Sometimes we are angry. Sometimes we are moody. Sometimes we feel irritated. Do you feel all these things? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the meaning of a state of mind? Here he would, state of mind means he would easily get angry. Who would easily get angry? Easily get angry. Okay. So what did I give the meaning of temper? Temper means it is a state of mind.
Get angry.
Easily get angry. Who would get easily angry? Tom's
father.
Tom's father would easily get angry. Okay. Now when Tom Canty told about father, what happened to princess? It touched the heart. How to touch the heart? Not touching the heart like that. Means, what is the meaning of this sentence? Who is going to give me the...
I'm sad.
He felt only sad. Is it only sad? It touched the heart. Means what?
Ma'am, I know the meaning.
Okay, good, Niharika. Anybody else who wants to give a try? What is the meaning of touching the heart? Means he was so pained. Pained means what? So he was undergoing a lot of pain when he heard to the story of this small boy. He felt extremely sad. Not only sad, he felt extremely sad. My father gets easily angry. Now you just imagine about your own father at home. If he gets easily angry and if he is full time angry, how would you feel? Anyone? Just put the hand up so that I give a chance. Now you just imagine about your own papa or daddy or father or whatever you call. Anne Maria, would you like to give the answer, Anne Maria? You just imagine your own father gets often angry. How would you feel, Anne Maria?
Ma'am, but my father is not there.
No, so only I'm telling, imagine. What is the meaning of imagine? Imagining means what? What is the meaning of imagining? Vedika? Think, you just think. So how would you feel, Vedika?
Ma'am, thought.
Think. Okay, Shri Bhadra. Vedika, can you hear me, Vedika? Yeah, Vedika, just imagine that you are there in place of Tom Canty and how would you feel?
Very sad.
Very sad. Vedika is telling the word very sad with lot of sadness. Very good, Vedika. Come on, smile. Okay. So what happened now? What happened? It touched the prince's heart and he told, my father often gets angry. Azad. Now I am going to get angry here with a smile on the face. Okay. Okay, then. He is very strict. You should look into the textbook. Okay. He is very strict. He does not beat me, but he is quite heavy-handed. So what did he tell about his father? He's very, what did I say? He's very strict. Whose father is very strict? Tom Candy's father is very strict and he is heavy-handed. What is the meaning of heavy-handed?
Ma'am, I know.
You just tell me.
Ma'am, he will not beat when he touch also, we will get paid.
Oh, heavy-handed means here we can say he is very harsh towards me. He's very
Strict.
What is that? What is that, Aditri? Aditri said something. What is it, Aditri?
Harsh and strict.
Harsh and
Strict.
strict. Oh, she wants to say harsh and strict. Good. So how is his father? His father is very harsh and very strict. That is the meaning of heavy-handed. He does not spare me from his tongue. What is the meaning of this? He does not spare me from his tongue.
Man does
Yeah.
not leave any chance.
Yeah, tell me.
Does not leave any chance of us scolding or saying harsh things.
Oh, does not spare me from his tongue means Aditri has got the answer. Come on, read out Aditri once more. Let everybody, come on, everybody listen to her.
Does
Tell me,
not
Aditri.
leave any chance of scolding or saying harsh things.
Okay, he doesn't even miss a single chance of scolding Tom Canty. That is the meaning of does not spare me from his tongue. So what all did I say? What is the meaning of heavy-handed? He is very harsh, he is very strict, he is very hard. Shribhadra, and what is the meaning of does not spare me from his tongue? It means that he doesn't even leave a single chance of scolding me.
Scolding.
Now you just imagine if we have this kind of father at home, can we live happily?
No.
I did not get any answer. I did not get any answer. Can we live peacefully?
No.
No, not at all. So you just imagine the situation of Tom Canty then. Such a small boy was undergoing lot of pain. Okay. Observed. See, he told my father does not leave even leave a single chance of scolding me. Right? Now there is another word there. There's another word there called noticed. Sorry, observed. What is the meaning of observed? Yeah, tell me, what is that?
Said or
Disable the chat box.
What is it, Anne Maria?
Disable the chat box.
remarked.
Anne Maria, I'll come back to you. Okay, so what is the meaning of observed? Observed
Notice or perceive.
noticed. Any other word? Any other word?
Or
Noticed?
perceive. Remark. Perceive.
Okay. Look at the screen. What did I give the meaning of observed? Observed means noticed. Now who observed here? Who observed? Prince. Very good. Prince observed. Prince observed or Prince noticed. What did he notice? What did he notice? Tell me, what did he notice? What did he notice? He noticed Tom Canty's feelings
Can you feel
his father.
Can you disable the chat box?
Okay, my dear Catherine. Okay.
I'm not Catherine and Maria.
Okay, Anne Maria. So did you understand what all did I say about Tom Canty's father? Adidev? Did you follow Adidev?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Adidev. No, not Adidev MB. I'm asking Adidev MJ. Oh, do you know MJ stands for? MJ stands for, not in his name. There was a dancer by name MJ. Who was that?
Michael Jackson.
Very good. Okay, so when I saw Adidev MJ's name, I was reminded of Michael Jackson. Okay, Adidev, did you understand, my dear?
Ma'am, I can do it.
Wait, let me ask something to Adidev. Adidev MJ, did you follow what all I taught today?
Yes, ma'am.
Why, my dear Adidev? Come on, give a smile and tell me. Did you follow what all I taught today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what all did I say? Who is going to tell me? Who is going to tell me one thing about be fast, be fast. Mayasa is ready with something. Come on, Mayasa. Tell me.
Candy's
And Maria can mute yourself, and Maria. Yeah, tell me, Mayasa.
We learned about Tom Candy's father.
Okay, tell me something about his father. Next, Amaya should get ready. Okay. Next, Amaya will be the one to answer. Any 1 point, Mayasa. Tell me any 1 point about his father.
He is no kinder or kind to me.
Okay, he also is just like grandmother. He is not kind to me. Very good, Mayasa. What about Amaya? Amaya, be fast. It's already time up. It's already time up.
He's very whimper.
No, he is very whimper. No. What is the meaning of whimper? With lot of pain. Lot of pain. When Tom Canty told about his father, he felt lot of pain, right? Okay.
Very angry.
He is very, very angry, right? He does not have a good temper, means he is very angry. Does he beat him? Does he beat him? He does not beat him, but he scolds him terribly, right? He scolds him terribly. Now, for the next class, what should you do? You know, what should you do? You have to write about your parents in 5 sentences. Now you just see how is Tom Canty's grandmother, father, right? So what should you do? You have to write about your own parents in 5 sentences. We will read out
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
next class. Did you understand my question, Advaita?
Yes, ma'am.
Advaita, did you understand my question, Advaita? Is there anyone who did not follow what I said? What should you do? You have to write 5 sentences about your parents and get ready for the next class. Come on,
Okay,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself. Everybody unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Yeah, Shribhadra, very good drawing. Very good drawing. It's already time up. Any doubts? Any doubts? Unmute yourself.
No, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day. Bye. 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 Bye.